Hey guys, Min here. So today we are going to review a carry-on luggage. Now, I've done many of them before and you can probably see some of them here. But today, this is one that is the most famous one that you see everywhere. This is the Away bag. The Away bag has been around for quite a while, but they made some updates lately. I got this one from my friend. We will go ahead and review this. So let's get started. So in this review, I will go over 10 points of this Away bag and I hope it will be helpful to you. So starting with the outside, this Away bag is made out of durable, lightweight, 100% polycarbonate shell. And as you can see, what's unique about it, it has an indented stripes, so everywhere you see in the airports, you'll see something like this. And this particular one is a blue. Now the size of this bag is 21.7 inches high, 14.4 inches wide, and 9 inches deep. So that brings us to about 39.8 liters in volume. Now, how does this compare to some of the popular brands such as Mono's, Base, and Level 8? Well, Mono's bag is around 39.9 liters, Base is around 49 liters, and Level 8 is around 38 liters to 40 liters depending on the model you're selecting. Now the Base is 49 liters. That's because they don't have a smaller model. So they only have the biggest one, which is the larger carry-on size, which is 49 liters. Now this one is around 39.8 liters, which sits right in the middle of that pack, which is perfect. The weight of this bag is around 7.5 pounds. Now that's what it says on the website, so let's check it out. I got a digital scale here, so let's turn it on and let's check it out. So I got 8.02 pounds. On the website it says 7.5 pounds, so that's approximately half pounds heavier. Now it may be because there's some things in here, but we'll check it out in a little bit. One of the most important things, as you guys know from my other videos, is I very much find wheels on luggage is very important because you're gonna have to pull this around the airport. You want this to be ultimately smooth and slick. And as you can see, this one is very slick and very smooth. As for their wheels, I don't know if they're Hinomoto wheels or not, but they are 360 wheels and they're pretty smooth, as you can see. So that is pretty awesome. Handles are also very important because you need to be lifting this thing up and down and put it in overhead. And this is a carry-on. So let's check out the handles. Well, we got one on top here. We got one on the side. And what's unique about this particular bag is there's a slot here in the bottom that lets you carry this bag like so. So it gives you a little bit more leverage on the back side, which is pretty cool. What's also important is the extended handle. The extended handle gotta be smooth and easy. And as you can see, this one is pretty smooth. And there's the fully extended, there's the half extended, and quarter. So yeah, there's multiple lengths you can do this, and it's pretty smooth. It rubs a little bit, but overall it's pretty smooth. Okay. Now, the next thing as I want to check out are the zippers. One of the most important things about a bag is the zippers. As you can remember from my old video, the reason why I started looking for a luggage bag is because my zippers broke. Now, what's interesting about Away is that prior to 2023, they used YKK zippers, which is really popular and known brand. Now, after that, they changed and they are sourced differently. So we don't know where it's sourced from, but let's check out the zippers. So, of course, you have the TSA approved lock on top right here. And you can just pop it in the center and then pop and it opens. One of the things I do like about it is the TSA approved lock is on the top and not on the side. Now let's open up the zipper and see. Ooh, smooth, buttery smooth. That is cool. As you can see, super buttery smooth zippers. The Away carry-on luggage comes with 9 different colors: jet black, navy blue, coast blue, olive green, sea green, cloud gray, sherbet orange, wave blue, which is glossy, and salt white, which is also glossy. That's pretty cool. I like blue, but you know, that's just me. Now, we mentioned really briefly about the TSA combination lock, which I like being on the top. Now you have 3 numbers, and then you have the TSA key, and you have the zipper locations, which you can pop it in the top here. That's pretty cool. And pop, it goes. Now let's open this sucker up and see what's inside. From the inside, you can see that it's separated into 2 sections. There is the zipper section, and there is the compressed pad section. Now the compressed pad section is also where the handlebar rail sits, so you get some ridges and you don't get the complete flatness. Now let's look on this side, on the right hand side first. So on the compressed pad, you actually have 2 separate zippers, mesh zipper pockets. Inside, it actually comes with Scuff Happens. This is basically a magic eraser. Allows you to remove scuffs from the outside. That comes with it. It also comes with one of the laundry bags, the Away laundry bags, so you can carry your dirty laundries with you separately. The match pockets are pretty useful, and this is part of your compressed pad. On the back of the compressed pad, there's also a space that you can stuff things in. Here, you also see a secret zipper place. This is where I would probably drop a air tag in this thing. And you have your compressed belt. And this is, Away luggage tag. Doesn't cost ½ pound, but I think the ½ pound may be coming from these 2 things, these few things. And on the zip side on the left, you also see another mesh pocket, larger mesh pocket where you can put things. And this is all mesh all the way through. So you have your flattened area where you can put things in. Okay, so now since I'm traveling tomorrow, let's check out my travel bag things and see what we can put in there. I usually travel multi-days with just 1 packing cube. This packing cube basically have all my essential clothing, and I wear some, and this is what I would need. So I would put that here. Maybe just some accessory packing bag. Shoes. And as you can see, easily zipped up. Now on the other side, I can also put my other goodies, such as my tech bag, all my tech gear, toiletries and emergency kits, and plenty of room. Now, let's try out the compression band. The compression band, here it is. It's horizontal, which is pretty interesting. Okay, so I had a comment saying that, I was trying to close it before you use the compression band. So you want to basically loosen it up, connect, and do the other one, same thing. Loosen it up, connect, and use the compression band to press it down. What I do like about these compression bands is this pretty wide, and they're also horizontal versus a lot of them are vertical, and depending on the ones, for example, the base ones are very, very narrow, which I don't like. And that's it. Now let's talk about the warranty. This bag have a limited lifetime warranty. Now, how good is the warranty? Well, like I said, this isn't my bag. My friend lent me this bag for a review because her bag that she bought many years ago, the handlebar broke on the top. So she sent an email to Away, and Away sent her this bag. And what's cool about it is she paid for the extra fee to get personalized on the bag, and as soon as the new bag gets sent over, she gets her personalized logos on there as well. So that's pretty cool. Overall, yeah, that warranty is pretty amazing. My friend swears by it. And once again, this video isn't sponsored. I'm simply doing a review because my friend got this bag, and I've been doing some luggage bag reviews earlier, so this is a great thing. Now, she did tell me a couple of things. One is that this bag is particularly different than the earlier Away bag because they used to have back here a slot for a battery where you can put in a battery and actually charge your phone from that spot. That's been removed. There are also, of course, like I talked about earlier, the zipper has changed from YKK zippers to their own home brand zipper, but I think the quality is still pretty good. So let's talk about the price. This bag, if you buy it today, is around $275 on an Away website. Now, how does that compare with the similar bags in the industry? So a Monos bag is around $255, the base bag is around $218, and the level 8 is around $269. Now, all these bags, you'll see discounts, and when you start applying the discounts for them, it drops significantly. For example, I think a level 8 bag can drop down to about $198. So just on there, and then you can add additional coupons and it will drop it even more. So yeah, but this is pretty good for its price. You know, it's right at the average. So yeah, that's not too bad. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please leave it in the comments below. Also, you may want to check out some of these videos as well. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.